Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this AKASO Brave 7 waterproof action camera. I'll be showing you guys a few samples and you guys can be the judge if this camera is right for you. For more information, I'll leave in the description below. This camera comes with a lot of goodies. This opening here is for the micro SD card and the USB Type-C port. And on the bottom, this is where you put in the battery. Now I will do a quick audio test and you guys can decide if this is good enough for you. Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. Here's a quick sample with image stabilization turned off. Now this is with image stabilization turned on. I always leave this on. It makes a big difference. Here's a sample footage in an area with low lighting. You can see the camera performance between night and day. If you need a camera with a good mic, I probably wouldn't recommend this one. The restaurant I'm at actually has a decent amount of lighting, but in its footage, for some reason it looks darker than it seems. And this camera cannot autofocus. The focus and clarity of this camera looks really good, especially in daylight. Taking pictures with this camera is not bad. It's a 20 megapixel camera, works well in areas with lots of lighting. However, when taking pictures, it sometimes changes the dimensions without me knowing.